YouTube, what's up? Back again with another unboxing. You guys seem to like my unboxing videos, so I'm going to try to continue this theme now that I've been upgrading my gear, upgrading my lighting. Hopefully this light ain't too bright on my face. I gotta get something to soften it up some. And I'm just overall upgrading the quality of my light. My daughter moved in, so I'm happy about that. She'll be in some videos more frequently. But today I'm going to hop into the Moza Aircross 2. You like how that rhyme, don't you? So let's start getting into this. And I got it for $3.99. So a very, 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 very great price. I did tons of research for probably like a year or more. Here's the receipt. So I got it for $50 off for $399.99. I will put this somewhere safe, cover my name up and my address, but that's my receipt from B&H. I'll also put links below where to purchase. This is interesting. The air pockets have no air in them. Let me just turn this towards you guys so you can see what I see. So only one of these has air, so I don't know. I don't feel too worried though, because I know this has another box inside that has air. This also came with the Goodson focus ring. I don't think I'll be using that. I might resell this or give it away to somebody as a gift. But there's the Goodson focus ring. I'll put that away somewhere. And here is the gimbal. This box looks a little roughed up, if I might say so myself. But this is the Moza Aircross 2. Nice, decent presentation. They got the tape that's been branded, the branded tape and all that. That's cut into it. It's my Lowe's $9.99 utility knife. Shout out to Lowe's, holding people down during the pandemic. Got a little quarantine belly going on since I've been in the house so much and eating a bunch of junk. Should have been working out, but I'll get on that. I will be on that. Having a little bit of complications here, but nonetheless, we will get the box open. Quarantine belly holding the flaps for me, and we're going to slide this out. We are going to, ouch, ah, man. These edges are sharp on this box. Be careful with the edges on here. You will get cut. Oh, nothing else is inside it. Here's something rolling around, but I don't think it's anything I need. Oh, I love this. This is my favorite tape right here. But let me just be quiet for a second so all my ASMR fans can hear the sound the tape makes as I'm opening it up. Just be quiet real quick. That's some ASMR for y'all. So don't y'all be downloading my video and take my little tape pull. That's some nice AMR too. There's some very nice AMR stuff in this pack. Get rid of that. Oh, that went right into the trash too. Steph Curry with the shot, boy. So they have a little bit of tape on the handle or plastic. How do you get this off? I told you guys, this is like an ASMR. They did this for ASMR people. Like all this plastic and the way the tape just comes off softly. Like very nice touch by Moza. They're trying to keep you nice and calm as you open this up because I needed to be calmed down after the way the front of that box looked. So that is off. And very nice styrofoam box, nice presentation, nice little handle on it, nothing special, it's alright, it'll get the job done. And boom, there we go, the Moza Aircross 2. Now let me give you initial impressions. Let me hold that up for you guys as well as I take a look at what we have here. So this just talks about battery safety, firmware update, port safety use, camera control, port safety use, multicam ports safety use. So a little safety disclaimer here by Goodson. Here is the user manual. And I heard this is plug and play, so this shouldn't be too complicated to use. What do we have here? This looks like the quick release plate. Yeah, so this is the, is this the quick release plate? Yeah, here's the quick release plate. I believe this is probably the charger. What is this? I'll open that up last. Here is the tripod. I've heard different things about this, so I'll come back and give a review about this. This has rubber built into the outside of the legs, which is an interesting touch. I didn't see that in any other YouTube videos. Let's open this up. And it has rubber feet on the ends. So that is a nice touch. We'll sit that to the side. We'll sit this to the side. We'll leave this here to open later. Here is the L. I don't think this is the L bracket, but I think this is what you can use to attach the camera and turn it sideways. Pretty sure some of you have done a lot of research on this gimbal before, so there is that. And here is the Moza Aircross 2. Might need 2 hands to take this out, so give me a sec. Nice snug fit inside the box, for sure. Oh goodness. They really got this thing in here. And I have small fingers and I can't get my fingers wedged in to get this out. I ain't trying to break nothing, so I'm just trying to still gingerly, carefully remove this from the box. Alright, let's use gravity to help us out here. Alright, good, I got it. So there we go. The Moza Aircross 2. Feels like it's about 2 pounds. All the access points are locked. I don't know if the battery is charged or not. I'm not going to turn this on without the camera inside of it. Initial impressions, it does absolutely feel plasticky. This portion is top heavy. It's definitely a top heavy gimbal. A little plastic one. Let me take this off. So let's get quiet one more time for our ASMR fans. That is off, and this is it. So I'll just spin this around and let you guys get a good look at it. There's a thread in the back for holding it overhead. The thread in the bottom. Let's screw this in real quick. Alright, what's happening here? Tracky track. You slacking. And there's 2 threads on the bottom in case any of you did not know that. It has 2 threads. Whoops. Getting sloppy here. I haven't done videos in a while, so bear with me for a minute. I know I'm doing some sloppy stuff. Alright, that's it. So I'll balance a camera on this, and well, no, I won't do that today, but I'll be back with another long-term review or midterm review or just overall review of the Moza Aircross 2 once I get everything set up and balanced, and I will see you guys soon. Peace.